Lesson 4. Multiplication. In the previous class, we have already learnt that multiplication is a repeated addition. Instead of adding equal amount repeatedly to find the sum, we multiply to find the same result in a much quicker way. Consider two groups of balls with 4 balls in each group. By counting or adding, we know that the total number of balls is 8. In the above example, there are 2 groups and in each group there are 4 balls. We obtain the same result by multiplying 2 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 8. Number of groups multiplied by number of objects in each group is equals to total number of balls. 2 multiplied by 4 is equals to 8 is called a multiplication fact. Multiply is the sign of multiplication called into or multiplied by. We read 2 multiplied by 4 is equals to 8 as 2 multiplied by 4 is 8 or 2 into 4 is equals to 8 or the product of 2 and 4 is 8. In a multiplication sum, the number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number by which we multiply is called the multiplier and the result of multiplication is called the product. Thus, in 2 multiplied by 4 is equals to 8, the multiplicand is 2, multiplier is 4 and the product is 8. Multiplication of a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number with regrouping. Example, multiply 67 by 7. Solution. Step 1. Write the numbers in the proper columns. Step 2. Multiply the ones. 7 multiplied by 7 is equals to 49. Write 9 in ones place and carry 4 to the tens column. Step 3. Multiply the tens. 6 multiplied by 7 is equals to 42. Add 4 to the 42. We get 46. Write 6 in tens column and 4 in hundreds column. So, 67 multiplied by 7 is equals to 469. Multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number without regrouping. Example, multiply 324 by 2. Solution. Step 1. Place the numbers in the respective columns. Step 2. Multiply the ones. 4 ones multiplied by 2 is equals to 8 ones. Step 3. Multiply the tens. 2 tens multiplied by 2 is equals to 4 tens. Step 4. Multiply the hundreds. 3 hundreds multiplied by 2 is equals to 6 hundreds.
So, 324 times 2 equals 648.
Multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number with regrouping. Example 1. Find 347 multiplied by 6. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in respective columns. Step 2. Multiply the ones. 7 ones multiplied by 6 is equals to 42 ones. 4 tens plus 2 ones. Write 2 under ones column and carry 4 tens to the tens column. Step 3. Multiply the tens. 4 tens multiplied by 6 is equals to 24 tens. 24 tens plus 4 tens carried over is equals to 28 tens, which is equals to 2 hundreds, 8 tens. Write 8 under tens column and carry 2 hundreds to the hundreds column. Step 4. Multiply the hundreds. 3 hundreds multiplied by 6 is equals to 18 hundreds. 18 hundreds plus 2 hundreds carried over is 20 hundreds, which is equals to 2000s 0 hundreds. Write 0 under hundreds column and 2 under thousands column. So, 347 multiplied by 6 is equals to 2082. Multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. Observe the following example. Example 1. Multiply 116 by 10. Solution. 116 multiplied by 10 is equals to 116 multiplied by 110. 116 multiplied by 1 tens is equals to 116 tens, which is equals to 1160. Rule: to multiply a number by 10, we put 1 0 to the right of the number. Example 2. Multiply 83 by 100. Solution: 83 multiplied by 100 is equals to 83 multiplied by 100. 83 multiplied by 100 is equals to 83 hundreds, which is equals to 8300. Rule: to multiply a number by 100, we put 2 zeros to the right of the number. Example 3. Multiply 5 by 1000. Solution: 5 multiplied by 1000 is equals to 5 into 1000, which is equals to 5 multiplied by 1000s, which is equals to 5000s, which is equals to 5000. Rule: to multiply a number by 1000, we put 3 zeros to the right of the number. Multiplication by 20, 30, 40 till 90. Observe the following examples. Examples: multiply A. 16 by 30, B. 25 by 50. Solution: A. 16 multiplied by 30 is equals to 16 multiplied by 3 tenths, which is equals to 16 multiplied by 3 tenths, which is equals to 48 tenths, which means 480. Hence, 16 multiplied by 30 is equals to 480. B. 25 by 50, which is equals to 25 multiplied by 5 tenths, which is equals to 25 multiplied by 5 tenths, which is equals to 125 tenths, which is equals to 1250. Hence, 25 multiplied by 50 is equals to 1250. Rule: to multiply a given number by 20, 30, 40 or 90, we multiply the given number by 2, 3, 4, 9 respectively and put a 0 to the right of the product. Multiplication by 200, 300, 400 till 900. Examples: multiply A. 26 by 200, B. 32 by 400, C. 12 by 700. Solution: A. 26 multiplied by 200 is equals to 26 multiplied by 2 hundredths. We put 26 multiplied by 2 bracket hundredths is equals to 52 hundredths. 26 multiplied by 200 is equals to 5200. B. 32 multiplied by 400, which is equals to 32 into 4 hundredths. 32 into 4 hundredths is equals to 128 hundredths, which is equals to 12,800. 32 multiplied by 400 is equals to 12,800. C. 12 multiplied by 700, which is equals to 12 multiplied by 7 hundredths. 12 multiplied by 7 hundredths is equals to 84 hundredths, which is equals to 8,400. 12 multiplied by 7 hundredths is equals to 84 hundredths. Rule: to multiply a given number by 200, 300, 400 till 900, we multiply the given number by 2, 3, 4, 9 respectively and put 2 zeros to the right of the product. Multiplication of a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number without regrouping. Example 1. Multiply 2033 by 2. Solution: Step 1. Arrange the numbers as shown. Step 2. Multiply the ones. 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to 6 ones. Step 3. Multiply the tens. 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to 6 tens. Step 4. Multiply the hundreds. 0 multiplied by 2 is equals to 0 hundredths. Step 5. Multiply the thousands. 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4 thousandths. So 2033 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4066. Multiplication of a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number with regrouping. Example: find 2442 multiplied by 3. Solution: Step 1. Arrange the numbers as shown. Step 2. Multiply the ones. 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6 ones. Write 6 under ones column. Step 3. Multiply the tens. 4 multiplied by 3 is equals to 12 tenths, which is equals to 102 tenths. Write 2 under tens column and carry 1 to hundreds column. Step 4. Multiply the hundreds. 4 multiplied by 3 is equals to 12 hundredths. 12 hundredths plus 100 carried over is equals to 13 hundredths, which is equals to 1,300 hundredths. Write 3 under hundreds column and carry 1,000 to thousands column. Step 5. Multiply the thousands. 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6 thousandths. 6 thousandths plus 1,000 carried over is equals to 7 thousandths. Write 7 under thousands column. So 2442 multiplied by 3 is equals to 7326. Properties of multiplication. Property 1. Two numbers multiplied in any order give the same product. Example, 32 multiplied by 2 is equals to 64. 2 multiplied by 32 is also 64. So, 2 multiplied by 32 is equals to 32 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 64. Property 2. When any number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. Examples, 36 multiplied by 1 is equals to 36. 516 multiplied by 1 is equals to 516, etc. Property 3. When any number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. Examples, 0 multiplied by 52 is equals to 0. 221 multiplied by 0 is also equals to 0, etc. Property 4. We can multiply numbers in any order. The product remains the same. Examples, 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 is equals to 10 multiplied by 7, which is equals to 70. 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2 is equals to 35 multiplied by 2, which is also 70. 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5 is equals to 14 multiplied by 5, which is equals to 70. So, 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 is equals to 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2, which is also equals to 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5. Multiplication by two-digit numbers. Example, multiply 34 by 16. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in respective columns. Step 2. Multiply 34 with 6 ones. Step 3. Multiply 34 with 110. Step 4. Add the two products. 204 plus 340 is equals to 544. Multiplication of a three-digit number by a two-digit number. Example, multiply 175 by 37.
Solution.
Thus, 175 multiplied by 37 is equals to 6475. Multiplication by expanded form. Example 1. Find 22 multiplied by 5. Solution. 22 multiplied by 5 is equals to 20 plus 2 in bracket multiplied by 5, which is equals to bracket open 20 multiplied by 5 bracket close plus bracket open 2 multiplied by 5 bracket close, which is equals to 100 plus 10, which is equals to 110. Example 2. Find 224 multiplied by 4. Solution. 224 multiplied by 4 is equals to bracket open 200 plus 20 plus 4 bracket close multiplied by 4, which is equals to 200 multiplied by 4 plus 20 multiplied by 4 plus 4 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 800 plus 80 plus 16 is equals to 896. Word problems. Example. A novel has 52 pages. How many total number of pages will be there in 8 such novels? Solution. Pages in one novel is equals to 52. Pages in 8 novels is equals to 52 multiplied by 8, which is equals to 416. Framing word problems. Consider the multiplication fact 5 multiplied by 9 is equals to. We can frame many word problems for the above fact. A few of them can be: first, how many fingers are there in 9 hands? Second, in a group there are 9 friends. Each has 5 chocolates. How many chocolates are there altogether? Third, in a carton there are 5 rows with 9 eggs in each. How many eggs are there in all?